Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Parivar. So guys, in this video today I'll show you how you can deny to applying group policy on a computer. Okay, so if you want to exclude any computer from a group policy, okay, I'll show you how you can exclude that and how you can deny a group policy so that that group policy will not be apply on that specific computer. Okay, so I'm going to log in to my domain controller. This is my domain controller. Let me show you server manager, local server, and you can see computer name is DC and domain name is itparivar.local. So this is my domain controller, and I have one client machine which IP is 10.10.15. Let's go to CMD and check here host name PC1. Okay, let's see which currently group policies are getting applied. Okay, rsop.msc. We'll check first which group policies are getting applied on this computer, on this machine. Then we'll try to exclude, or then we'll try to deny a group policy so that that group policy will not apply on this computer. Let's go to computer configuration, right click, go to properties. You can see for now there are two group policies getting applied on this computer, test GPU and default domain policy. So suppose if you want like this group policy, test GPU should not be applied on this computer, on this PC1 computer. Let me close this PC1, okay? So what we'll do, we'll go to the domain controller, okay, which IP is 10.10.11. We'll open here group policy management. Then you can see here this test GPU which was getting applied on that PC1 computer, it is linked to the test OU right here. So what you need to do is you have to just go to group policy object and you need to find the group policy name. So this group policy was getting applied and we want to exclude this or we want to deny this group policy so that this test GPU will not apply on that computer. Okay, so in same way, whatever group policy you want to deny so that it will not apply on a computer, you have to go to group policy object, find group policy name, right click and double click on this first. Okay, so once you'll double click, it will be opened like this. You need to go to the delegation tab here, then go to advanced and click to add and enter here PC name. So PC name means computer name or server name. So that computer name was PC1. So I'll enter here PC1, click to objects and select computer. Okay, and then click on check names. So see, we are able to find this PC1 computer, and from this computer only, I mean on this computer only, we are trying to deny this group policy or exclude this group policy. Okay, so make sure once you'll add, you need to select this, read. This box should be check mark, allow, scroll down, apply group policy, click on deny option, then click to apply, yes, and say okay. And now close this window. You can see here this PC added here. Okay, under delegation tab in test GPOU. So now this test GPU will not apply on this machine, PC1 machine. Okay, let me close this. Close server manager also, and let's go to CMD. Let's force your GPU update. GPU update force. If you have multiple domain controller in your environment, you have to run replication rep admin sync all aped. I'll show you what command you need to run. rep admin space sync sync all space a p small e and capital D. Okay, you need to run this. But if you have only single DC, one DC or two DCs, it's not required. Okay, but if you have multiple domain controllers, so you need to replicate the changes on all domain controllers quickly. So you can run this rep admin sync all aped command or adep command. Now let's go to client machine. Okay, here on PC1. Okay, let's generate rsop.msc before running GP update force. Okay, one time. It's loading. Now let's go to computer configuration. One more thing, if group policy will be configured under computer configuration setting, it will be visible here. Otherwise, you need to right click on this user configuration and then go to properties. Okay. So for now, we are checking here. See, test GPU and default domain policy is still getting applied. Let's cancel this. We have already made changes on our domain control. Now let's run here GPU update force so that group policy will be refreshed quickly. Otherwise, it will take some time and it will be refreshed automatically. Okay, you can see GPU update successfully completed. Again, let's generate rsop.msc, and now we'll see if test GPU is getting applied or not. It's collecting data. Okay, let's right click on computer configuration, go to properties. See, now test GPU is not showing here. Okay, that means that group policy is denied now, or you can see this computer, this PC1 computer is excluded from that test GPU group policy. Okay, so in same way, you can exclude any computer from group policy, or you can deny a group policy to applying on a computer or server. Okay, so guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you and this is clear to you how we can exclude, how you can deny a group policy so that it will not apply on a computer or server. Okay, so if this video is really helpful for you, please subscribe my channel IT Parivar and click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.